guys, Therese here. In this video, I am really very excited because I'm not sure what will happen because in this video we have a special guest. It's I will instruct him and he will listen to everything for us to have a makeup look.
I'm gonna make up her.
But you will listen to my command, okay?
Am I gonna make up you like a clown?
No, you're gonna listen to me. I'm gonna tell you what to do.
How about the mermaid?
No, the first thing we have to do, Kian, is to put this one. This one is a powder. So what you do, Kian, is you push a little bit like that and then you tap it in my face, all around my face. You can use 2 fingers.
Oh.
Okay, you press. Not so many. And then you tap like that. Tap! Make it even! This is just the first step. You have to hurry up. Tap. Make it even. Even my nose. Okay. Oh, am I done?
I think.
Now what you do is this one. Oh, I'll put.
I'm scared about that one.
Wait. But I will tell you what to do. You will make triangle here, and then you put in all my pimples.
Here.
Now look for my pimples. You cover it up.
I don't know what the pimples are. This.
Cover it up.
I'm covered. It's covered.
Wow, good job! This one off. Wipe this off, and then you tap like that. Make it even. The color of my face should be one lang. Tap!
I wait your eye. Kabila.
Aray! Gentle. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Now, this one. This one, you put it in the eye. Oh, wait lang. This palette is from, can you read it?
Beauty. Gland. Done.
Beauty Glaze. We're using the palette of Beauty Glaze.
Ooh,
And
what's beauty cake?
Kian chose this one.
Yes.
Gentle. Oh, you put it na. Something happening.
There.
It's done? Oh, the other eye.
They're not done. Look at it.
Oh, it's done na. You won't put any more
I
color.
want to put
Oh,
one.
what else? Gold. Bakit? Bakit? Ang dami! Yan! Let's show it. This one. You put it in my cheeks. Where's my cheeks?
You poop. Okay, now
Okay. You were using 3CE last time. Na, ang tawag dito? Blush. 3CE blush. Cheeks lang ah. Where's my cheeks? This one lang yung cheeks. Kian, ba't agad dito yung blush on? Kian, para ka nangungudkod ng yelo. It's masakit. Gentle. Done. Okay. Now, this one, Kian, I will show you ha. This one is to make this part of my face shine. Okay?
Shine.
Yeah. So, you put it here.
Shine bright.
Yeah, shine bright like a diamond.
Oh, wait.
Kian, hindi triangle. Like that lang.
Stop.
Huwag under my eye. Ganun lang. Dito lang. Yan, ganyan lang. And And then triangle in my forehead. Point in my nose and point in my chin. Point. But triangle.
Point, it's a point there.
Sige. Okay guys, yan na yung ginawa niya. Ako na lang magsispread nung highlighter niya kasi naman nasa ilalim ng mata ko.
Zoom in dito kasi.
What happened to this one that's like, there's... Nangyayitsura ko guys. There's so much things. This one is Tevian. Kita nyo ba? Tevian Brows. So, Kian, what you have to do is to write on my eyebrows. Just write on it. There, it's like a comb. It's like combing my eyebrows. Just comb my eyebrows. Don't put too much because I'm gonna be like Betty the Player.
Now, your eyebrows, it's so black.
Yeah, because you put so many. Now, I will give you, this is eyeliner. We have eyeliners from Tevian. So,
Okay,
I'm not gonna make you put it. I'm just gonna let you choose what color we will put in both eyes. We have the green, the blue, and this one, the gold. Both eyes will be gold. Or you want it different?
Both eyes.
Okay, will be gold. I will put it here. Now it's time for, guys, lipstick.
Lipstick.
Yes, the lipsticks are from. The lipsticks are from. Can you read where it is from, Kian? Can you read the name?
Me.
It's from Mersey.
Mersey.
Mersey, yes.
Mersey.
Mersey. Mersey.
Okay, stop it.
Okay. Now, let's open it. Look at the box. It's so nice, diba, yung box?
Yep.
Yeah, it's fancy.
Okay,
Fancy.
I'm gonna open it.
Yeah, you can open it and then you can show them the packaging inside.
I don't know how to open this thing.
Here, I opened it now.
Oh.
Look! You show them. Look
This
at how it
is-
looks like.
This is what it looks like.
Super ganda ng packaging nitong Mersey, kaya gustong gusto ko siya. And guys, it's made from Korea. If you wanna order, you can order in mercy.co.korea. This line is the velvet line of Mersey, and guys, super duper pigmented, guys. I will show you. Kian, can you make a line here in my ano? There. Stop. Look, guys. Ganun nilagay ni Kian. Super pigmented and super velvet. And does it smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like...
I wanna eat it.
Yeah, it smells like strawberry. Yung ito yung pinaka...
I wanna eat it because it smells so good, but I can.
Yeah, oh, you cannot eat this. But guys, when you put this in your lips and then yung scent super pumupunta sa ilong mo, parang, shucks, I wanna wear this forever. Ganon.
Okay.
Oh! Put it in my lips lang!
Bulik.
I'll look at the mirror.
I'm sorry.
So, guys, this is the final look that Kian created. Ay, wait lang, naka-charge pala siya. Yan, this is the final look that Kian created. This is their final look. Makikita nyo naman, it's not that messy since binigyan ko ng instructions si Kian. Pero pag tinignan yung close-up, madaming glitters dahil puro glitters yung ginamit niya. And look at my hands. Ayan, nalagyan na din ng glitters kasi wala kaming pangtanggal nung sa brush kanina. So, sa skin ko lang nilagay. Ayan, before ending this video, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pa-special guesting ni Kian. Gusto niya talagang sumama sa vlog ko. So, eto, sinabi ko sa kanya na sasamahan niya ako sa video na to.
It's nighttime today. When we did the makeup, it was late at morning, and the camera was like 0%. So we had to charge it. Okay, bye guys. Sure to subscribe. And
Like,
press the like button. Okay, this is 100% good. So, okay, bye!